Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to delete LinkedIn account on your phone. It's quite simple and direct, so let's get going. So first, go to your LinkedIn app, then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then tap on Settings. After that, tap on Help Center. Then here, you will see Close Your Account option. Just tap on it. Then it will just ask you if you're really sure in closing your account. If you are, just tap on Continue. After that, just select the reason why you want to close your account. Then tap on Next. If you created your account using your email before, this will appear, so just tap on Create a Password and follow the simple directions. After setting your password, you just have to repeat the process you did earlier, then enter your password here. After that, tick this box, then tap on Done. After that, your LinkedIn account will be closed. And that wraps it up. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.